changed in a long time. So I got all three over here, and I got the Szechuan, some noodles, some zucchini, some squash, and put some carrots in it, of course some onions and mushrooms. Finishing up right now. It'll be my first time having Mongolian Wok. I'm a little tired. We've been over at Princess Keys today. It was very nice, very relaxing. Everybody's taking a nap right now. Or Marshall's taking a nap. So I'm doing that, and here's what I got. I've inserted a picture in here, hopefully. Anyway, I wanted to give my own little opinion on it. I hear about how great it is. Apologize how loud it is, but you know, it's lunchtime, everybody having fun. So I'm real excited here about trying this. I stood in line for like 20 minutes for this. Some people stood in line for 45. I got all three. I got the Szechuan chicken and the shrimp and the beef. Had all put in. The noodles. Got some zucchini and some squash. Got some mushrooms and some really good onions, it seems like they have. Everybody loves them. So yeah, let's try this out. Try out some of the beef first. Very hot. Very hot. Not too spicy hot. It's okay. I like Szechuan. Real excited though. It's very good. I would get this again. I just don't think I'd stand in line that long. I would like to try the others. There's a black bean and a Thai barbecue. You know, your preference. Somebody said even the black bean was even a little spicy, but you know, the Szechuan here, a little spicier than some Szechuan chicken I get at home. But really good. I would go back for this. I can see why they stand in line for this, guys. So enjoy.
Thank you for watching our channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button.